Hello everyone, my name is David Holmes, and this is my app demonstration for my app Hopsalong. This is my capstone project I created during a 15-week boot camp at Flatiron School for software engineering. Um, in order to make this app, I utilized a Rails backend with a React frontend and Bootstrap for the CSS. And this is my login page. I decided to create a login and sign up page all in one, simply because my user model is very simple. It just has the username and password. So if the username exists in the database and you type in the right password, it will go ahead and log you on. As you can see, I typed in the wrong password. But if the username doesn't exist when you type in the username and password, it'll just go ahead and create that user for you. And so this is the first page that it takes you to. This is the basic home page. So what it does is it takes your location, and there I am right there on the page, and it will show you any breweries within 50 miles of where you are. So if I kind of see any of these little icons, I can check out any of these breweries. So Urban Lodge Brewery, I can just go right here and filter the results. If I want to know more about that, I can. Um, I can also search any location in the United States. So let's say I want to search Evanston, Illinois. It's where I'm from. It's where I grew up. And it couldn't find the location. It looks like I'm not sure why. I'll try this one more time. There we go. All right. Little hiccup on the back end right there. And so right here, you can see any brewery that is within 50 miles. And once again, the um, simple feature of seeing the name of any brewery on your map. Another thing that you can do is you can search any brewery in the database here in the nav bar. So this is an asynchronous search field. So if I search Half Acre right here, it shows up. And so it takes you to the show page. So anytime you come to the show page and you've already rated that brewery, your rating will go ahead and show up. And so we can edit that rating at any time. All we have to do is that. And then it takes us, anytime you edit or create a rating, it will take you to this page. This page shows you all of the breweries that you've rated. And so once again, you can go ahead and filter the results. And I can go back to Half Acre and I can change it back to 5 stars because let's face it, they deserve it. So from here, you can also search any city or state along with anything near you. So let's say I want to check out all of Minnesota. I can go ahead and search that, and once again, I can filter these results. So there is this really great new brewery called Bob and Bobber. It's just over a year old. It's very close to where I currently am, but as you can see, it's not showing up because it's not in the database. So we're going to go ahead and create a new brewery, and everything is already filled in for us. So I'm going to go ahead and add a brewery, and it will automatically take us to the show page where you can rate it and write any comments that you want. So new brewery, beer is good, but they have a really great fishing motif there, so I'm going to kind of comment on that. So I'm going to go ahead and submit the rating, and now if we go back to this near me page, as we go ahead and load, you can see that the little spinner is there to let you know that it's still working. You can see that Bob and Bobber is showing up, and if we click on it, there's our rating. For all of this, you do not have to be logged in unless you want to check out your breweries, unless you want to rate a brewery. So we're going to go ahead and log out, and we're going to see that the near me, as well as the search options, still work perfectly. We're just going to go ahead and try to rate Barrel Theory. And we're going to see that you must be logged in order to rate a brewery. So that's my app. Thank you so much for watching. Currently, I am trying to, I'm going to start working on React Native to create this as a mobile application. And then I'm hoping to send it live. So thank you so much for listening to this demonstration, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.